This in this short video, I would like to point out Power BI main components to you and also give you two really good resources that you can use to get a little bit deeper into Power BI and to learn more about it. So, first things first, the key components in Power BI. These are visualizations, and basically this is the visual representation of the reports. These are also the data sets. So every time you use Power BI, the data has to be imported into Power BI or connected to Power BI somehow. And normally this is a specific data set. It could be a table, a database, or something like this. And of course, Power BI report, and which is an essential component in Power BI. Based on those reports, you can use different parts of the reports to organize them and reuse them in dashboards that could be published. The main difference between dashboard and report that in dashboard you can take parts from different reports and publish them. So, for example, if you want to uh, show your management information from different reports, but only, let's say, yearly overview, then you can combine all these reports into one dashboard and then publish it and share it with your management. In tiles, these are also parts of the Power BI, which are basically like a single visualization, such as diagrams or a report. So those are the key components of Power BI that you should know. And now we go to the second part of the video where I show you a couple of really good learning materials that you can use to learn more about Power BI. The first part that I want to show is the Microsoft Virtual Academy that you probably heard about this site, and if you do not know about it, it's a Microsoft Learn. I think they renamed it now, and the URL it's docs.microsoft.com and then Learn. You can search for it, and you easily find this site. It has a lot of great resources. All of them are free, and you can have hands-on labs and things like that. I would definitely recommend to check it out. And the second resource that I would definitely recommend to use to learn about Power BI is a specific course which is called Analyzing and Visualizing Data with Power BI. And this course can be found on MIT online learning system called EDX. So if you browse to edx.org and then just search for Power BI, you will find a course which is called Analyzing and Visualizing Data with Power BI. It's a great course. I definitely recommend to check it out. It has some basics. So here is the course syllabus, for example, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it more. And yeah, so this is a small start for you. Please check out these two resources, and I hope you remember these main components in Power BI. Have a great day and enjoy. Happy learning. Bye bye.